Welcome to Camborne in the evening. So my other half, who's currently in the hot tub, hi dear.
Yeah.
He has been coming out the last couple of evenings with his phone because he's found a really good app. So it's called Star Walk 2, and it literally, you just point your phone, into the sky, and you can see constellations and planets. So this is currently what Lolly's doing. So let's just film Lolly. What can you see?
I can see a horse and a unicorn.
Oh, I like the unicorn.
And there's There's the dog.
Anything up?
And
Up?
the bunny.
What about above your head?
So there's a giraffe.
Oh.
And
What did we see earlier? There was loads of.
About 15 satellites.
15 satellites, yeah. And I can give you a fact about those. It takes a satellite 90 minutes to travel around the world. Did you know that?
No.
There you go, see? Aren't I clever?
But Mum, you Googled it.